Hello, my name is Nisanthe Matrasono Putra with name 2023-3252 from the Information System Study Program. Here I will explain the code and output from a Jupyter Notebook covering linear and multi-layer neural network for regression and classification text. This command install the TensorFlow library, which is essential for building our machine learning models. And the output show that TensorFlow and its dependencies are already satisfied, meaning they are already installed in the environment. Here we import necessary libraries and create synthetic linear data with some noise, then visualize in using a scatter plot. Graphics scatter plot display our data points which from a clear upward linear trend perfect for our regression text. We are define a simple neural network model with a single dense layer to perform linear regression. This block compile our model using the SGD optimizer and mean squared error loss function, then print a summary of its architecture. And notebook, the summary show our model has one layer with a total of 2 trainable parameters representing the weight and bias. We train the model on our data for 100 epoch to allow it to learn the underlying linear relationship. And the output simply confirm that the training process has been completed successfully. This code extract the learn weight, make prediction, and plot the resulting regression line over the original data. And the output show the learn weight 2.95 and bias 2.14 are very close to our original values, and the red line on the graph first the data point perfectly. And LNN classification, we know generate a nonlinear moons dataset and split it, then visualize it to show two intertwined class. And the output, the plot display two half moon shaped cluster of data which cannot be separated by a single straight line. Next, we define a simple linear model for binary classification using a sigmoid activation function for the output. Next, the model is compiled with the Adam optimizer and binary cross entropy laws. Then a summary is printed, and the output in this summary. So our classification model has a single dense layer with 3 trainable parameters. Next, this linear, the classification model is trained for 100 epoch on the nonlinear moons dataset. In the output confirm that the linear classification model has been finished its training process. Next we evaluate the trained linear model on the test data to check its accuracy. And the test accuracy is only 58%, which is low because a linear model cannot properly separate this nonlinear data. We define and use a function to plot the decision boundary that our linear model has learned. And the graph clearly show a straight line boundary which fail to separate to two moon shaped classes explaining below accuracy. Next, multi-layer perceptron or MLP. And now we create a multi-layer perceptron model with a hidden layer to learn non-linear patterns. Next, we compile the MLP model using the same setting and then display its more complex architecture. And the summary show our MLP is 2 dense layer with a total of 41 parameters, giving it more capacity to learn. Next, the MLP model is now trained on the same moon's dataset for 100 epochs. And the output, this message indicates that the MLP model has completed its training. Next, we evaluate the performance of our newly trained MLP model on the test data, and the MLP strives a much higher the accuracy of 90%, proving its effectiveness of nonlinear data. And next, finally, we plot the decision boundary learned by the more powerful MLP model, and the output, the graph show a curved nonlinear boundary that successfully separates the two classes, visually confirming the high accuracy. Okay, that concludes my explanation of the code from this notebook. Thank you for your attention.